Status of Hazrat Abu Talib in the light of Quran. Surely Allah chose Adam and Nuh and the descendants of Ibrahim and the descendants of Imran above all the creatures. Chapter Ali Imran, verse 33. In the light of Quran, there are three personalities to whom the referred name Imran in subject verse can be attributed to. The father of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, the father of Hazrat Maryam salamullah alayh, and Hazrat Abu Talib, whose real name is Imran. There was no issue from Hazrat Musa alayhi salam and Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, that is Jesus, never married. Therefore, the question of their descendants doesn't arise. As such, the reference to Ali Imran in subject verse can only be attributed to Hazrat Abu Talib, father of Hazrat Ali alayhi salam. Furthermore, the three personalities mentioned in verse 33 above, Hazrat Adam, Hazrat Nuh, and Hazrat Ibrahim, are bestowed with the suffix title of alayhi salam. As such, it will be against the tenets of justice not to use subject suffix title with the fourth person referred to as Imran, who is Hazrat Abu Talib. Moreover, the event of Mubayla is the highlight of chapter Ali Imran, and the personalities who went for Mubayla along with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam are the progeny of Hazrat Abu Talib, that is Hazrat Imran. Hazrat Abu Talib and Hazrat Abdullah, father of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, were from the same mother. It is evident that Hazrat Abu Talib alayhi salam has been given the honor of suffix title of alayhi salam by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and categorizing him as a pagan or polytheist will be injustice of the highest order, and Allah doesn't like the unjust, that is Zalimeen. Chapter Shura, verse 40.